In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add default content in WordPress's post editor. Have you ever found yourself entering the same text in all of your posts? Often people will do that with things like asking people to subscribe to the feed or retweet the post or share it on Facebook or something. So when I open a post, you can see that I get a blank page. You can add some text as the default content in your WordPress post editor. This text will appear automatically whenever you create a new post. So to do that, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, click on Theme Functions under Theme Files. Go all the way to the bottom of the code, and then make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always restore the backup. Now, paste this piece of code here. I'll put it in the description below. And you can edit this line to whatever you want to add as your default content. Then click on Update File. And then that's it. Now, when I open a new post, you can see that a default text is already here instead of a blank page. This is how you can add default content to each of your posts in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.